Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video, you and I both get to vent about our frustrations with LEGO EV3. Today's video is going to be the 7 things that we're the most frustrated with LEGO Mindstorm's EV3. So if you want to see my list, stay with me. And after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, I know you can do it. And if you guys share with any of my frustrations on my list today, go ahead and smash that like button. Coming in at number 7, it's gonna be the end of the cables, and they break so easily. I don't know what's going on. Every now and then I hear Mr. Hino, the cable end is broken and we have to replace it. So I like the fact that Spike Prime has kind of updated the cable ends so it's a little bit more sturdy. I mean, I honestly haven't heard of any Spike Prime cable ends breaking. But anyway, it's just one of those things where it's the plastic pieces and parts that just kind of go, and obviously it's going to come with care and taking care of things, but those cable ends just seem to break so often. Coming in at number 6 is the battery. I don't know about you guys, but I'm in the middle of a program and it's like ready to work. And I'm like, come on, yes, it's going to do this. And then I see the low battery and I'm like, no. So I guess like anything, like our cell phones, but it seems like the cell phone, I look at my cell phone, it always has battery. But then, our EV3 batteries, it just seems like when I'm right in the middle of something really important and exciting and I'm going to have a breakthrough, the battery gets low, the light starts to, get different colors. And then I'm just like, man, let me plug it in, because you guys know that the battery has an effect on the robot's performance. So that battery, you know what? Just keep always charging it right before you do a project. But I know that's hard because we're not always on top of it. Coming in at number 5 is broken pieces. Especially those long blue connectors. Just the ends break off so easily. And, sometimes the black connectors, I find little pieces everywhere. And these blue guys, these are really hard to take out. I'm going to be honest. A lot of times I just use my teeth because they get wedged in there and I can't get my fingers around the edge to pull them out. So plastic pieces and then pieces that are so tiny to pull out is a very big frustration for me. I don't know about you guys. Coming in at number 4 is the robot not driving straight. And this is going to be one right up the alley of those of you that do first LEGO League, where the one motor just seems to go faster than another, or somehow the robot goes off course. And it's just, you're right in the middle of a mission, and the mission depends on the robot being straight, and the robot is just going off in every direction. And so you're just frustrated because if this sounds familiar, this happens to Mr. Hino too. On Monday, it was driving straight. On Tuesday, it's going, in every single direction. So it just, I know what you mean. You just want to take the robot and throw it out the window. So there is my next frustration, is the robot seems to not drive straight every single time. Coming in at number 2, and I'm getting into the zone of sensors. We want to depend on these sensors. And, for those of you that know anything about cars, the newer the car, the more sensors it has. And then sensors malfunction. And then, what do? You have to take them in and you have to have some technician diagnose that it's a wrong or bad sensor. And then you have to pay thousands of dollars. Well, those of you that do LEGO EV3 know about our sensors, and especially the ultrasonic sensor. You set it to detect something and it doesn't always detect it. And you're sitting there going, why don't you see it? It's standing right in front of you. So I'm right in the middle of a project where I'm trying to knock things off, from the ultrasonic, and you set it for a distance, and whatever the object is clearly in the range of the distance, yet the ultrasonic sensor doesn't see it. So it's just a frustration where the ultrasonic sensor is just not always reliable. And coming in at number 1 is another sensor. It's the color sensor. Now, I know you guys are going to probably hop in with the gyro, and I'm probably right up there with you. But the color sensor, I don't know about you guys, but a lot of my color sensors, it confuses blue and green. I don't know if you guys have any other issues with any other colors, but sometimes I'll show it blue and it thinks it's green and vice versa. So I'm just like, come on, color sensor. I know they're really close on the color wheel, but you know, it's obviously a different shade and it's just, it sees it differently. So what do? I take out my little cleaning, I clean the lens, and you know, that sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. So anyway, guys, this video was just all about frustration and venting that to you guys. Hopefully, if I left something out, hit me up in the comments section, because I probably missed some things, but I kept it at 7 to give you guys a chance to jump on in and tell me what frustrates you that didn't make Mr. Hino's list. So again, LEGO EV3 is awesome. There are more cool things than things that I vent about, so you guys can tell from my videos. I love it. It's so much fun, yet there's so much frustration that goes behind what you guys see in my videos. So I don't know. I just want to share my frustrations with you, with your frustrations, and I'm in the same boat as you guys are. So the next time something screws up that was on my list today, you can laugh and go, yeah, that Mr. Hino, he has the same problem that I do. Okay, guys, so hopefully you're still having fun. Are you guys in school yet? I don't know. And are you in class yet? It's just one of those things where it's hard to tell, you know, how things are going when everybody in the country or the world is doing something different as far as robotics and school. And so anyway, keep me in the loop, guys. I'd love to hear from you, because I get emails, I get comments all the time from people in different states, cities, countries, and it's just cool to hear from you guys. Okay, guys, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.